What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kyle Chart Bully, back with another video. Hope everybody is doing well. Had a good trading day. Before we get started in the analysis for May 19th, I do have an announcement. So starting next week, I'm no longer going to be posting the analysis on YouTube. They will be in the Telegram group, but the Telegram group only. Reason being is it gives more incentive to those in the group. Kind of rewards them, thanking them for being in the group, doing something extra for them. And on top of that, I don't want anybody like looking at the analysis and then like just sharing it out and just kind of like making their own from it, if you know what I'm saying. But the main thing is that I just want those in the group to have something that is theirs and only theirs. And also I'm going to be gearing the channel more towards just trades and results. So not too much educational, not too much. I really never did lifestyle in the first place, but more so like I used to show like live executions of trades and let it play out. So I'll be doing more of that and just talking about trades I took during the day or during the week, things like that. So no more analysis on the YouTube after this week. It will just be in the analysis channel. I'm gonna keep that going. If the analysis channel isn't growing like I need it to, I'll have to decide what I want to do with that as well. But regardless, I'm still gonna be here on YouTube posting and just having fun with you guys. So I just want to make that announcement before we get into the charts. So let me know what your thoughts are, and yeah, let's get into it. So gold, we've been pushing up all week, been bullish, lower highs all around. So structure here, lower high, lower high, lower high. We still are looking to get to the short-term interim target of like 1927. My TP2 is all the way up here to 1965, but that's going to take some time to get to. So I'm not too concerned if it doesn't get there this week. It could take 2 or 3 weeks. You never know. So just keep on buying. Prices are still looking very bullish, and I think we're going to get here maybe by Friday. If not, I would say Monday or Tuesday. Okay. H1, like I said, structure's been holding. So you have your lower highs, you know. Oh, sorry. You have your lower highs right here. So you can see the market structure is holding. And you like to see this when market structure is going towards your target. So we can see the liquidity zone on the daily. We have the market structure on the H1. Only thing left to do is now pull the fib out, and let's see where to get in at. So from low to high, and nothing changes, guys. I do this all the time, right? We want to get in at the best price. So buy zone or low risk buy zone, somewhere in this area. Okay. You're gonna look for your quarter wood, your W, your stop hunt, railroad tracks, doji, evening star, whatever you use as an entry signal to get into the market. But what I try to stress is getting in at the best price is honestly the easiest way to trade. Seems simple, right? Just buy low, sell high. But the fib is going to help you do that. So you can get in, doesn't matter what pattern. I mean, if you see a move down and then like a strong candle up or something like that, go ahead and hop in. You know, you don't want price to get below here. So my stop loss would go below the range low if I got in at the buy zone or low risk buy zone. And yesterday's high would be my first target. And then, like I said, I would be targeting, I'll probably leave a runner to see if it's going to hit this 1927. Okay. All right. So let's go to good old EU. And EU here, still bullish. You know, we got the lower high right here. It could be doing that again, so we could maybe see like a candle get to here and then push back up. Or if this starts shooting down, if we get like another bearish day and it breaks below here, then I might start considering sells. But as long as it's holding this area, I think we're good for buys still. This could just be a retracement just to go up any higher. Okay. Next target is up here, so that's at 1.23650. so I would be targeting that, but just be careful and just see how Thursday goes. I would be bullish still, but you know, be mindful that it could drop but I'm like 90% leading towards a bullish bias. Let's drop to the H1. All right, so you can see there is a little bit of breakdown right here. So you can kind of see the market structure shift right here. You can see a shift in market structure as we didn't get a higher high, so we got a lower high. So it's going to be interesting if we get this tomorrow, like that, or if we get above this area, and that would just negate the whole thing. But if it does drop, I would be looking for a short-term sell once it got past like this area. So I would still be bullish until price got down here. Once it got down here, I would be a little concerned, as there are kind of some equal lows down here which price could target. And 15, so let's pull the fib out. And if you're bullish, you're gonna look for a price like around here. It could take this wick out and come up, just because I've seen it before. But if you're leaning towards a bearish, especially with this this shift in market structure signal right here, so you will be looking for price to hold this wick right here and kind of get into the sell zone. Okay, so it's really up to you. I'm still leaning towards buys for now, but if you're trying to get sells, you can definitely do a counter trend trade and see where that goes. All right, GU still pushing up. We can still see it's on an uptrend. We do have some equal highs right here, so I would be looking for price to get above this, maybe do like a retest and then push back up. So maybe something like this and then go up. So we just have to see what it's going to do. GU has not been the easiest pair to trade recently. Lots of swings, lots of things going on with it, but it looks like it's pushing up. It's starting to get out of this range right here. So you can play the breakout, boom, like I said, or you can try to just trade and get in low. H1, let me fix this real quick, sorry. Let me zoom out. So H1, this kind of looks like a big like head and shoulders almost, but I was looking for price to hold this area right here, and I wouldn't want price to get below it. So if it comes to this area, this is also a nice support zone. So yeah, I just wanted to hold that, and let's take the fib out. So let me see here. Depends on where you want to go. I mean, you could go down here to this range low, but usually I just take a structure. So if you're looking for bearish, you're getting up here in the sell zone. Same thing as usual. Buy zone, low risk buy zone. It's going to be curious to see what this Asia range do. This is really tight, so it could just break down and come all the way back up. But like I said, I would be watching this structure right here mostly. So actually, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take it down here. So yeah, buy zone, low risk buy zone. If it gets below your range low, that's gonna be curtain call. So if it gets below that, might need to reconsider the bias at that point. Bitcoin, I'm not really gonna talk about this. So many people lost so much money today. This has been a bloodbath. Look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. We got to what? We got below, man, we got to 29. We got to 20. Yeah, we got to 29,000. That's crazy. Crazy thing is, I don't think this is done. I mean, I legit think we're gonna get all the way down here to like 27, and then even possibly down to 20, just period. I don't think it'll ever get below 20 again. I just think there's too much invested in Bitcoin, and too many of the big dogs got Bitcoin. But yeah, China banning, I think it's businesses or industries from using crypto, but it just hasn't been good. And then of course Elon said Tesla's not messing with it. So yeah, this is just bad. I would just stay off of Bitcoin for a while unless you're going to day trade it and sell it. If you're buying and holding, good luck to you. but I don't think the damage is going to be done. I'm not even going to go to the H1 or M15. There's really no point. You guys already know what's going on, so I will watch these two areas and just see what happens here. If I am going to buy and hold, like, I would try to see like around here. I would wait until it got below 30 again before I even thought about buying. So that's it. US 30, I already know that dropped some. Yep. So we had this nice swing point right here. I do think that's probably going to be the high. I'm not certain because we are kind of still in this range and haven't broken out. Once we get another bearish day cleared that clears this, I think we're going to be good to go for a nice bear run for a while. It might stagger around for a few days just because that's what US 30 does sometimes, but like I said before, this has been artificially pumped up for a while, so the drop's going to be big and they're kind of just playing with it. So, but when it does, it's going to do something like this. And then there's so many targets. There's target right here, there's targets right here, there's targets right here, you know what I'm saying? There's targets right here. I mean, this shit crazy. So so many targets to go from a bull run, but just look to see if it's gonna break out this range. And what I want to see is a candle close. I don't want to see like a wick. I want to see a strong close underneath this, and then I'm gonna ride that baby down, you know. So that's it, guys. That's gonna be the analysis for tonight. Like I said, this is probably gonna be the last one that I put on YouTube. I will be putting the rest in the analysis group. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe, drop a comment. But other than that, I will talk to you guys next time. Peace.